This is my Restoration Prayer Ministry training material that I developed a number of years ago for ministries that are dealing with struggling people with their emotional wounds. As Christians, we're called of God in Galatians 6:1 to recognize when a brother is missing a mark or a sister is missing a mark, and then it says, you who are spiritual, restore such a one. Well, we Christians have the answers to all the world's issues as far as emotional realm and hurting goes. Things called mental illness, we've got the answer for that. It's been in the Bible for years, but you can't do what you're not trained to do. And that's what this training material will do. It will teach you how to deal with the emotional wounds, the simplicity of where emotional pain comes from, how to deal with it, how to get to the place where there's no more inner turmoil or wrestling. Jesus promised peace. That's what comes from this training material. You will find new peace you didn't even know existed. Plus, it'll increase your ability to help others. 10 DVDs, each 50 minutes in length, perfect for self-study, perfect for group study and small groups. This material will change your life.